A disastrous end to 2017, a disastrous beginning to 2018. 5 games, 1 win, 1 loss, 3 draws, and we lost to Nottingham Forest. It's very, very disappointing. Man,
I think if you look at us now, the whole idea is at the end of the year, we know we are not winning the league, and we know the only chance of winning a trophy is always the FA Cup.
Man,
and now it's January and we've lost out of the FA Cup. I think our season is defined already.
We are 6th on the table.
It's so early for us to be saying this, but it's upon us already. You know, when you end the season with very scandalous results, I call it scandalous because when you concede needless penalties, agenda or no agenda, you understand, and the squad depth is looking very bare. Like the second team cannot even compete.
Exactly. Let's look at the penalties that they've been talking about.
I think the first one was against Callum Chambers.
Yeah, Callum Chambers.
I think 10 out of 20 referees won't give that because. But then it was a penalty, no doubt. He shouldn't have raised his hand. That was very unprofessional.
It was a penalty or no penalty. My own is. You scored late into the game. You should control the game. You should manage the situation. You are barely like 5 minutes away from full time. You understand? Exactly. And you, as a defender, coming like that, fine. It's a reactionary action. You understand? Like,
but it was something that led to
that. It's avoidable. Just manage the guy. You knew what he was.
He was not going to score from there. They had just one Palace West Brom player inside
the 18-yard box. The way Arsenal have been playing these days, the defenders play like individual players.
Sloppy,
no unit. They are not playing like a unit, like
no
a
communication.
Defense, you understand?
I think we are getting, like you said, to a defining moment. Not just for the season, for Arsenal as a whole.
Yeah, for Arsenal as a whole.
We're having this is a transfer window now. I think we are seeing more.
We are seeing more of exits. You and I know Arsenal won't sign
people coming in. So what?
Before we came in here, you talked about. You said it's going to be an exodus.
Yes.
We've started seeing it. You know, Alexis would definitely. It's
leaving.
More about when than if. You understand that you will definitely leave. I don't know if he will leave this January or maybe summer. He will go. And we are hearing about Coquelin to agreeing a deal with Valencia. Before you know it, the likes of Welbeck and Aaron Ramsey, I heard they are not agreeing to a new deal.
Elneny has to leave. I don't know why we made that sign. I thought it was going to be a very good signing, and it turned out to be something else. Even Chambers should leave. It's not for me a very good defender. I think Rob Holding is a little bit ahead of him. He's calm, he has a good composure. But then Callum Chambers is just one guy I don't like to see in Arsenal defense.
For me, I'll still say the biggest culprit is Wenger.
Honestly, look at Mertesacker. There's no point Mertesacker playing that. Let him go and retire and say
is leaving at the end of the season.
Let him go now. You should not wait till the end of the season.
1001% that Arsene Wenger is still the main culprit here because you look at the Leicester City that won this the league 2 seasons ago. We said they benefited because they are playing 1 match per week in the EPL. We look at Chelsea last season. We said they benefited because they were playing 1 match per week. The same thing should apply to Arsenal this season. We are in the Europa League for crying out loud.
We are not even playing against the big boys.
Just one team. 1 match per week. We are having a second string side that is playing in the Europa League. So why can't we focus on this league and look at it now? We are 6th on the log. So he has no excuse. To me, he has no excuse.
And I think we.
You want to say you don't have money to compete? Leicester does not have money. Leicester didn't buy the top players when they won the league.
I think we even overflowed the issue of money. Wenger or Arsenal as a whole, they cannot use the fact that there's money or no money or a player is expensive or not expensive as an excuse anymore.
Because with the squad that you even have, you're not even getting the best out of them.
You know, I used to say something. If this current Arsenal squad, if we get a better manager, or even Jose Mourinho will do something better than what Wenger is doing right now.
I think we need to still focus on the game we lost, Nottingham Forest. No, I was talking to someone yesterday, and I told the person that if even a second string Arsenal cannot beat Nottingham Forest, then there is a problem. Because our
let's
second
see it
string
from this angle. This forget about the fact that Bristol City dumped out Manchester United of the Carling Cup.
Okay.
That is not my business. Arsenal is my business. Nottingham Forest is 14 on the log in the championship, and in 7 matches they just won one.
and they did not have a manager.
They
Let's
had
put
an
that.
interim manager for that game. And second string Arsenal. Okay, we call it second string Arsenal. We had like 7 international
It's not players
on
on the
squad.
pitch.
We have the likes of Pemet Saka.
Theo Walcott was
Theo
there.
Walcott was there.
Dennis
So what are these
Welbeck
players?
was there.
What are these players wearing the badge for?
Hey,
If they
there's
can't
something
defend the
wrong
badge, they
with
should
Arsenal,
just
honestly.
leave. Don't let me use words I don't like to use.
There's something wrong.
Yeah,
Look at Iwobi now. That guy is playing too comfortable. If it was left to me, I would just demote him. He's not not too old to play.
I think let's focus on what we heard that just a night before the game.
hours into the game.
He was busy drinking. I don't know if he was drinking.
partying.
He was
Of course
partying.
he was
We don't know if he was
partying.
drinking or not.
3 hours to a competitive game and you are somewhere.
There's this video I watched
not supposed to be done.
of Jack Wilshere interview, and they were like asking Jack Wilshere that is there any form of sanctions within the team? Yeah, he now said there are Pemet Saka does sanctions people, team players that comes late to training, to team meetings, to dressing room. Now they asked him who was the most player that has been sanctioned so far. He said Alex Iwobi, a young player.
And he still did that just
Before a
Before
very
our
crucial match.
competitive game.
You guys knew that your manager would not be there on the sideline for you guys. That was supposed to be a massive reaction.
I don't
Win
understand.
that game for the manager.
I think we
You
can
understand?
conclude that our sanctions are not good enough. Just like
It's
every
either
other
the
thing
sanctions
about-
are not good
about
enough,
Arsenal.
or the manager is not being firm enough.
Okay, so now I think we've flogged the backside of it so much. Now we are facing Chelsea, double header Carabao Cup. With this form, what do you expect?
Well,
I don't see Arsenal winning over 180 minutes. I don't see Arsenal qualifying for the finals.
Okay, so
we are
over
playing
180.
against
To be fair,
a
to be
very
candid.
hungry Chelsea team. Of course, they would not win the league because it looks like Manchester.
Manchester
He's
City
running
are-
away with
and
the
it's
league already.
harder for them to win the Champions
The
League,
Champions
obviously.
League.
So
And this
even
guy.
the FA Cup is nobody's.
It's
nobody's
it's
game.
up for
cup,
anybody.
You understand?
Okay, now we are into the transfer window, January transfer window, very short. Well, Arsenal, I can't say that there's anyone that is going to be coming in because as usual we keep hearing we are looking at this player,
Keep
we're
signing
looking at that
17
player.
year old, 16
Oh, we
years
look at the
old.
big players, but we now sign the little players.
Players.
So, and a lot of people are going out.
Do we say strategic?
Very, I don't know.
You know,
But-
see, Arsenal is like a sinking ship right now. You know, I don't think one of the top players, if I am a top
Would
player,
want to come to
would
Arsenal.
I want to go to
Exactly.
Arsenal?
And we
Yeah,
have
because
our
there's
top players
uncer-
leaving.
there's uncertainty around the manager, the team. You know, you don't even know if Arsene Wenger.
You
will
know,
be there
at some
next
point
season.
last season, Wenger said the big players came to him and said, "Boss, what's happening? Are you going? Are you staying?"
If you even look at it, Arsene Wenger himself is not even looking like someone who wants people to help him.
Yes.
It's when Michelin
Yes.
Tat came in and signed a young Greek defender. He slated him. He said we know all the players. He's coming from a little club in Germany.
Oh.
The ego is too much. You
But
know.
those are the kind of players he signs.
He too. Those are the kind of players he signs too. So let's
January, we are not signing. My money is on that.
maybe one or two.
One or two free.
You understand?
The,
Mavropanos
the only reason why we
is
will
in
sign
already.
is if
Or maybe
Sanchez
put people on
eventually
loan.
leaves.
Yeah.
We get people on
But
loan.
people going out, that's certain. But
Yeah,
we signing.
Exodus.
I'm not sure
Exodus.
we're signing anybody.
They're
Okay,
shipping
but,
them
so
to
let's
January.
look at
That's
them the Carabao Cup now. Chelsea double header. What's your take?
Well, it's always a tough game against Chelsea, and we
It's a
almost
London
lost
derby.
at the Emirates, and then well, 2 leg. I don't know. I don't see Arsenal winning. We've been sloppy. We're not playing like we want to win something this season. The best chance of us winning a trophy was the FA Cup, which
And
was
it's gone.
that.
Yeah.
But now we're playing against a Chelsea that looks more hungry now.
Mm.
I think they've realized that they made mistake at the beginning of the season, and they
And
think
they're
it's
trying
time
to
to
play
make
catch up.
amendment.
For
now.
me,
And
considering
playing
the fact
against Arsenal, I think is one of the best chances to get
to
back
be,
on
yeah.
track.
Considering the fact that in Arsene Wenger's over 20-something years in England, he has not won this trophy, he should take it serious. But we know him for
Wenger
winning,
would not take
and
it
it's a
serious.
London derby playing against Chelsea. And you know, Conte has not always gotten it right against Arsene Wenger. He will look at this opportunity. This is an opportunity for him to smash us. I won't be very, very optimistic.
I won't be.
I want the team to surprise me.
Yeah.
But for me, over 180 minutes, I'll give the game to Chelsea. You understand?
It's been a very, very tough 5 games for Arsenal. Now we are facing Chelsea, a double-header in the Carabao Cup. Until we come back to review those games and maybe some 2 other games as well. Let's see how Arsenal will do. If they would improve, we'll get to do a whole lot more of that with you when next we come here. Catch you later.
I said,